Welcome to English in a Minute. When you strike a chord in music, you play several notes at the same time. So, are Anna and Andrew going to play music? I hope so.
I love Amelia Earhart. Her life really struck a chord with me.
Really? But she was a pilot, and you're afraid of flying.
Oh, no, her flying career didn't strike a chord. She loved hot chocolate. And so do I.
When something strikes a chord with you, it causes strong reaction, usually because you identify with it. Striking a chord can also mean that you're reminded of something familiar.